If you're wondering where we are, let me clear that up real quick. We are here today at Elphinstone Road in Mumbai at the Love 15 Kitchen to meet the founder and chef of the brand, Pooja Dhingra. Pooja's our Tastemade Fellow for this month for Tastemade India. Hey, where's Pooja? Hi Pooja.
Hi.
So Pooja, what do you guys exactly do here?
We do a lot here, but this is our head office, so all our planning, everything happens here. Magic happens here.
Do you have a spot in this kitchen where you find yourself looking for inspiration?
Strangely enough, the place where I find most inspiration is in the gym, so when I'm running, so not in the kitchen, running.
And is there one thing that you've learned on the job or in this space that nobody ever told you before?
I think I've learned too many things. Love 15 turns 11 in March. I think I can write a whole book on that.
So where are you taking us after this?
Come, we're going to my test kitchen.
This is a really cute kitchen, Pooja. What are you guys doing here today?
Thank you. So I spend all my time here. This is where I test recipes, I plan my shoots, I do everything in this little kitchen. We're working on my new book.
Is there a specific recipe that you're testing today?
We're testing a lot. I normally do 4 to 5 every single day. The one I'm very excited about is our jackfruit cake, and because it's inspired by my grandmom, and our donuts.
Pooja, you said you're making donuts. Can you tell us what exactly you're going to be doing right now?
So I switched already. So from the donuts, I've gone to a cookie cake. I'm making a Biscoff cookie cake, which is this really good cookie batter that I love, and this Biscoff spread that the whole world seems to be obsessed with right now. And we're going to bake it, and then when you're going to break into it, it's going to be warm and gooey and have the center. Everything's about comfort and love and joy here. Where's the rest of my dough? Thank you. Have you measured the Biscoff? How much is it? 160. Okay.
How much time on an average in a day do you spend inside this kitchen, Pooja?
Oh, inside this kitchen, I spend about almost all my time. So on an average of 6 to 7 hours right here, and then the rest of the time either at the stores or in the main kitchen.
Is there a spot in this kitchen that you particularly love?
I think right here. This is where I can see everything. I can see who's coming in, who's going out, and yeah, I just really like everything about this room.
How long is it going to take for this to get done?
30 minutes.
Is there something else we can try in the meantime?
Cupcakes?
Always. Which cupcake are you giving me to try?
I mean, red velvet, right?
There are so many cupcake flavors on the Love 15 menu. Which one is your personal favorite?
This one for sure, because I've made like 5, 10, 15, 20 million of them in the last 11 years. Okay, I lie, but I made a lot.
You have a really strong girl gang, Pooja. Tell us a little bit about them.
I do. Cupcake? Enjoy. I do. I love the female friendships that I have. I think that the reason I'm able to do what I do is because I have this this group of cheerleaders and who are going through the exact same things as me in their personal lives. So yeah, I wouldn't be here without them.
The pandemic was a challenging time for the entire industry, so to speak. What were the challenges that you particularly were grappling with during that period?
Where do I even start? I think that it was. I think I'm still trying to figure out and try to absorb all the challenges that we went through and the industry went through over the last 1 year. For us, it was just something that we never saw coming. I don't think anybody ever saw that, we live in Bombay, we live in India where business just keeps going and it never stops, and then suddenly you were meant to stop and money stopped flowing in. I think that was challenging. But yeah, I think that we managed to, swim through and make it past that hurdle, at least for now. Taught me many lessons, but yeah, someday I'll talk a little bit more about that.
You always remind us that there's a lot to learn from failures. Are there failures in the kitchen that have taught you things about life?
Oh my God, so many. I think as a baker, when I moved back from Paris to India, my macaron recipe failed so many times. Even today, we test each recipe. I tested this twice yesterday. So it's about patience and persistence, I guess, in life and in baking.
And what was the first recipe that you ever created in this kitchen?
In this kitchen, I've been here for 2.5 years. I think my chai macaron.
can you describe the future of Love 15 in 5 adjectives?
The one thing that 2020 taught me is that I don't really look too much into the future. For now, I think it's just, I don't know, I just think it's just taking it one day at a time and just making sure we bring joy to people. That's all I think about.
What does the rest of your day look like today?
I'm going to finish these donuts, then I'm going to go to the kitchen, the main kitchen, where the real magic happens. And then I have a podcast recording. The next season of my podcast, No Sugarcoat, is out soon.
That sounds like a super tight schedule. So I'm going to let you go, and thank you so much for your time today and for choosing to be part of Tastemate India as Tastemate Fellow. Thanks once again, and I'm signing out.
Thank you for having me. Should I show you? Come, let's see the kitchen.